All right, let's do this. So look, we're going to go over subplans. And I know what you're thinking, like, man, you're not here? Total party, got it covered. Well, with me, not even close to being the case, because I believe that every minute of your life is valuable, and you should be working to be the best person possible with every given minute. So therefore, even when I'm not here, you're still going to be the rock star that you are and accomplish a ton. So again, our subplan icon looks like this. So when we go back to our master calendar, we're going to use this as an example. If you see a day with green and a subplan like this, you'll know I'm not going to be there, but there's stuff for you still with the hyperlink. And what's really cool about this is I always put a YouTube tutorial video for you for the subplan. So I'm simply going to left click here, the hyperlink will come up, and it'll take you straight to it. So for example, this could be a subplan.
What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be doing the 9/11 footage. Critical is you're going to take one column for each year for today. Don't worry about it. Should be pretty short, sweet me, remind DM, whatever. And
excellent. So, with that said, I run through everything that you need, and I try to keep it under 3 minutes because, honestly, you're probably going to check out after 3 minutes, and I need you to get the instructions. So, it is there for you, and you notice, let's click play, maybe this will go away.
Try to accomplish this tomorrow.
Excellent. You'll notice there it says what subject for subplans, and it says the date, so you can always double check to make sure it's there. I always put this for anything that we do in that one for subplans because I firmly believe that you need to know what you're doing, and it's easier for me to show you. Again, for example, there we go.
What's up, my wonderful peeps? So we have a very quick thing to get through, so let's make sure to so whatever you feel, totally.
Yes, we do have issues sometimes with Wi-Fi.
Stage 2, I'm going to move to stage 3, which is this, and it covers those, and that together. And then I'm going to...
So what you notice there is I'm walking you through the stuff that you're doing. I always believe in visualization, and I believe in guided practice of showing you what I want you to accomplish instead of just telling you. So that is very, very integral for your success. However, I do need you to watch the full length of the video. And again, I try my best to keep it under 3 minutes, so please watch it because you can't come back to me and say, I didn't know what to do. Well, it was fully on there for you. You got to take responsibility for it. So subplans are there for you always. Make sure you knock them out when they are there. And again, if you ever have a question during times when I'm not here on certain days, just send me a DM, send me a remind, send me a text, whatever, and I'm here to help you. But always, always, always watch the video first. It'll be a big help for you. That way you can succeed and be amazing. Good luck.